guys, how are you doing today? My good name is Cynthia Ashley. I am doing well. I thank God for this day. I hope you're doing fine as well. If you're new here, karibu sana. This is Mama K. Pika na Mama K. This is Mama K's kitchen and this is Pika na Mama K. Welcome to Mama K's kitchen. Well, I've repeated Mama K like thousand times. There's been a minute. I've been engaged in other issues, other things which we'll discuss maybe later. I'll get to inform you what I've been doing. So today I am back in my kitchen and we're going to prepare another nice meal, another good. One of my favorite meal. As you have seen on the topic, kienyeji chicken. This is special kienyeji kitchen and it is a recipe that we are going to share together. So straight to the ingredients. We are going to use, here I have onions, red onions. I have washed my hands. This is broth. This is coriander. This is, here we have coriander stems. This is garlic and ginger. I have mashed them already, garlic and ginger plus salt. And then here, of course, we have tomato, which I have blended. And last but not least, cooking oil. So as you have seen in the beginning, I started by roasting my chicken, tuna choma choma. Basically, I normally do that to remove the smell and to remove other excessive feathers that might have been left on the kitchen. Hey, on the chicken. So this is my boiled chicken. We are going straight away to start frying it. For kienyeji chicken, I boil it for at least 2 hours, 1 to 1.5 hours. Yes, so I boiled it on the charcoal stove. So I'm going to take you through this process, how I do it. This is my style, and maybe some of you style. This is it. The chicken is well boiled, very boiled. So I am going to fry them. I'll start by adding in cooking oil. Just kidogo, because the chicken is fatty, it has oil on its own. So guys, I have finished preparing my dinner, chapati and kuku kienyeji, and as usual we normally serve him to test as the first person. Yeye ndo anakuanga wa kwanza to test so that he can give us his feedback. Sawa? So this is the chapos. I've served him chapati. I've served him in the kitchen. Unajua kienyeji chicken. I don't know why I confuse why I normally call it. So unaenda kutesti kuku, utatest kidogo, utauma moto. Kuma tukadogo hii nataka. And then this is the chapati. Pia chapati uma tukadogo. Got it? Very delicious. Very nice. So idea. I'm going to try. I'm going to test. Simple. Mimi ndo naona si wewe. Mbona naona hii ni kubwa? Papi.
So right.
It is nice. So delicious. So, let me tell you something, my ladies, my sisters, my women, my mothers, my usiboeshe ni Christmas. Ni Christmas. Let us normalize cooking nice food. Utaki kuku. Normalize cooking nice food. It is Christmas season. We are in festive season. So let us cook nice foods. Ukienda Shago pika chakula tamu. Kama ni kuku kienyeji, unajua Shago ni kuku kienyeji, you will not get broilers before Shago. So those who are traveling to the villages, please, you can try my recipe. You can try the way I think there is a video that I showed nikitengeneza chapo. I've already taught you how to do chapati, so you can go back and watch. Let me serve my babies because naona huyu hapa. Papa, hata nipe utakula kuku. Utakula kuku. By the way, papa apendani nyama, apendi kuku, anachangazanga. Sawa. Hii ni tamu. Utaki? Ambia chukue hii. Pelekea tu. Unataka chapo peke yake. That is my boy for you. Sawa. Okay. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to Damtemis 254K, and we really appreciate those who consume our content, those who come back to view our content. Thank you so much. We don't take you for granted. May God bless you. May God expand your territories. May God do you wonders. Thank you so much for viewing this. Bye bye. See you in the next video.